Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to cancel your Temu order after payment, you're in the right place. Today in this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Temu orders after payment. So let's jump right into it. Now, first we get something out of the way. That's why you go to your Play Store or App Store and make sure we have the Temu app updated, or at least have one of the newer versions to avoid any issues in the process. After that, of course, you quit the store and open Temu, and of course you have to be logged into your account, and then tap on that little person in the bottom of the screen to go to this page. Now from here you go to your orders, so let's tap on your orders, and then right here you find the orders that you want to cancel and that the ones that you have paid for, but just make sure the payment hasn't been done a long time ago, like a month ago or something. Has to be like very soon. As you can see, this order I have paid for it for more than 20 days ago. I cannot really refund or cancel this order. So if you have an order that you want to cancel and you just paid for it like yesterday or today, you can find it like this. You go to your orders, it's gonna look like this. Select the order, and then once you select it, you just tap on cancel item. Gonna say cancel item right there. Once you cancel the item, it's gonna take you to this confirmation page. Basically, all you need to do is to again tap on cancel the order, the second button right there. Once you tap on it, you'll be taken to this page or this menu. You need to give them basically a reason. Why are you canceling this item or this order? Just choose a reason and tap on confirm in the bottom, and then right here again select the item that you want to cancel. So you might have to select it again and then tap on next step in the bottom right. It's gonna take you to this place. Choose where you want to receive the refund, and then tap on submit in the bottom, and then after that tap on confirm again in the same place, and then you get this little notification in the middle of the screen. Once you tap yes, cancel item, you should be good to go. Your item is going to be canceled and you're gonna get your money back. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you so much for watching.